Welcome to my channel.
Google Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro to launch at Made by Google event today. How to watch, what to expect. Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will be launched by the tech giant today at the Made by Google event scheduled to begin at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 7:30 p.m. IST. The Google event will launch a number of other products, including the Google Pixel Watch, which was first teased by the company in May. The California-based tech giant also teased a glimpse of Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, the successors to the Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. At Google I/O hosted earlier this year, as the countdown to the Made by Google event has already begun, here's a look at the major announcements by the company to be made today, along with the details about the live streaming. Google's Made by Google event. How to watch live stream. Google is all set to host the Made by Google event tonight at 7:30 p.m. IST. The event, which will take place in New York City, will be live streamed in India on Google's YouTube channel. You can also watch the Made by Google launch event via the player embedded below. Google's Made by Google event. What to expect. Google has already announced the lineup of the products that will be launched at the event scheduled for tonight. The Made by Google event will include the launch of Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro, and the Google Pixel Watch. In addition to these, the tech giant will also reveal additions to the Nest Smart Home portfolio. Soon after the announce, the devices will be available for shopping at googlestore.com. Ahead of the launch, the company has already announced that the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are open for pre-order offers starting Tuesday in India. Google Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro, specifications. Rumored, Google Pixel 7 series spec sheet was leaked earlier this week, suggesting the presence of next-gen Google Tensor G2 SoC and Titan M2 security coprocessor on both the handsets. The Google Pixel 7 series smartphones will be available in 128GB and 256GB storage options. However, the vanilla model could carry 8GB of RAM, while Pixel 7 Pro may offer 12GB of RAM. The Pixel 7 is said to sport a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate. The smartphone can carry a dual-camera unit at the back, with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. On the other hand, the Google Pixel 7 Pro may come with a 6.7-inch QHD Plus LTPO display and up to 120Hz refresh rate. It could carry a triple rear camera unit with an additional 48-megapixel telephoto camera. Both the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro handsets are expected to feature 10.8-megapixel sensors for selfie camera. The Google Pixel 7 series variants can sport a fingerprint scanner and face unlock feature for authentication. Both smartphones may come with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Google Pixel Watch, specifications. Rumored, the latest leaks suggest that the Google Pixel Watch may come with a quick pairing feature and ECG tracking. The smartwatch is said to feature Corning Gorilla Glass protection. It could also offer 5 ATM water resistance. Users may also get a 6-month subscription to Fitbit Premium with the wearable. Other features of the Google Pixel Watch, as suggested, may include sleep monitoring, heart rate and ECG tracking, and an emergency mode. Google is said to offer the in 3 color options: black obsidian, gold hazel, and silver chalk, for the Wi-Fi only variant. Meanwhile, the cellular variant can replace the silver chalk variant with silver charcoal color option.